Let us discuss today about rainforest. If you find this content is good, then please do like, share and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see this kind of valuable content. Let's start then. Rainforest is an area where tall, big evergreen trees available like a dense forest with high volume of rainfall. The climate of rainforest is warm and humid. There are two types of rainforest, tropical and temperate. Rainforest is very much important because it absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Rainforest occupies 6% of total Earth surface. Rainforest mostly structured into four layers: emergent, canopy, understory and forest floor. Rainforests are scattered all over the world. The Amazon forest is the largest rainforest. Over 3 million species live in the rainforest. Deforestation is a major concern for rainforest. See you next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.